Shubor Nagaslem Jong Nongsan Hima.
Lamphang ging darbar tawan ke jelau ba medba lengdo hne kesngi haba kali halor ke jing ujor jang ke seng kongres ya ke jing mi no jong ki khat arngut ki MLA jongka bat pun yeso sya ke TMC bat ki ei kisin jam ki ba unshem nakaleng jong Lamphang ulayatu ba nakaleng ke jong ulayok pediang ya ki kot na ki Nongïalam jong ka kongres bat haban Peit Bniah kumno ban le shu ula ongru ba haban Peit Bniah ya ki kot ki ba ki Nongïalam jong ka seng kongres kila Aiti nakaleng Lamphang ulayatu ro ba nakaleng jong ki Nongïalam ka kongres kila kentu ya ban pendu no ya ki jinglong MLA jong kini ki khat arngut ki MLA kongres ki bala phet no na ka seng nakaleng uba medba ulayatu ro ba hadu menta nakaleng ke jong udang Peit Bniah kat kum ka an habai dei bat ki kot kisla ki ba kini ki arleng kilawan ban Aiti
The Congress Party, represented by Commander Indo, along with the other two MLAs, Commander Lamphang and Prasasti Sapni. The other two members, Bniah and Bakimpa, could not be present, as it appears that they have, as informed by them, that they have to attend some regional committees meeting in Guwahati. So I have received, it's a big bunch of paper, and well, I have to again look into it and see what is to be done.
And what exactly they want?
I have to go through some. I have to go through the entire. It's a big bunch of. One book is carrying this much, almost 12. Bunch of those documents.
So they must have explained you something.
Yeah, very briefed.
What?
They said that the defection is attracts a disqualification under the institution. That's all. That will take its own time, because I have received the letter from the 12 MLAs last week, and in fact I have started, but because I was out of town most of the time, so I could not focus on those files. In fact, today I thought of continuing with the same, but the Congress Party paid a visit to me and submitted all those documents complaining about those 12 MLAs who have defected from their party.
Have you given them recognition as TMC members?
No, I have not. That's why the matter is under examination. So, no comment on anything else.
But without your note, how can they declare opposition chief whip?
That is all these nitty-gritties has to be looked into. So you need a proper examination so that the ruling or the decision will be made accordingly.
That means they cannot declare. You have to designate.
Who will declare?
The parliamentary party leader,
No,
opposition
the
chief whip.
office of the assembly will declare
Not they themselves.
the decision. Yeah, the decision.
So that is illegal. They declare themselves.
Who?
The meeting of the TMC MLAs.
I'm not getting.
The meeting of the TMC MLAs, they decided to elect Mughal Sangma as the CMP leader. Then,
Claiming that they have the majority.
I mean, I have nothing to say on that.
so you have to recognize
See,
also.
they can claim, they can do whatever it is.
So
all these things, are part of the examination. Two-third, they should have the numbers. That's all.
So they
have to-
fulfill the criteria.
As of now, they have 12 out of 17.
And what are other factors?
I will not say much on this. I have to give me some space so that I will be able to examine the matter thoroughly, and we will inform you.
But